Patriotism is more than just a word. It's a deep and profound love for one's country, a bond that unites us as a nation. At its core, patriotism is the love and devotion we feel for the land we call home. It's reflected in our pride, our culture, and our willingness to contribute to the betterment of our nation. This love for our country isn't just an emotion, it's a guiding principle that influences our actions and decisions. Patriotism is essential for a nation's unity. It transcends differences in race, religion, and ideology, bringing people together under a common identity. In times of challenge and triumph, it's our shared sense of patriotism that strengthens our bonds, fostering a sense of belonging and togetherness. Patriotism also empowers us to achieve our goals. When we're united by a common purpose, driven by our love for our nation, we can accomplish incredible feats. From winning battles to advancing technology, and from cultural achievements to social progress, patriotism fuels our collective ambition to reach new heights. Patriotism is the heartbeat of a nation. It unites us, motivates us, and reminds us of the common values we hold dear. By embracing patriotism, we not only honor our country, but also pave the way for a brighter, more united future. Let's stand united, love our country, and work together towards the greater good.